Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Apple Watch error code 13 on Freedom Mobile. The error reads, "Your account is not eligible for another postpaid service." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. According to our research, the error comes when users try to activate a cellular plan for their Apple Watch on Freedom Mobile. According to our research, this issue likely happens due to account eligibility problems on Freedom Mobile's system. It may also occur if the watch or phone software is not updated to the latest version. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check if both your Apple Watch and iPhone are running the most current version of watchOS and iOS. If not, update them to the latest version and check for the error again. If the error still comes, and this a brand new Apple Watch, then you might need to set up the watch without adding a plan first. First, complete the setup without a cellular plan to force any pending updates. Then reset the watch and set it up again with the watch plan and check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then contact Freedom Mobile support. During our research, one user shared that the issue needs to be escalated to their backend team so they can fix their profile from their end. So you can try the same for you and contact the Freedom Mobile support. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.